Hey there, thank you for coming here again. We appreciate your patience in sticking with us and promise to provide you with a good and simple understanding of agriculture. Anyway, do not forget to enjoy our new video. Composting is a natural process that converts organic materials, such as food scraps and yard waste, into a nutrient-rich soil amendment. It is an environmentally friendly way to reduce waste and repurpose organic materials for the benefit of plants. Composting can be done on a small scale at home or on a larger scale at a community or commercial level. There are three main types of composting: cold, hot, and vermicomposting. Cold composting involves collecting materials in a pile or bin and waiting for them to decompose over time. This process can take anywhere from a few months to a year, depending on the size and composition of the pile, and the environmental conditions. Cold composting is the simplest and most low-maintenance method of composting. It requires little effort beyond regularly adding materials to the pile and occasionally turning it to provide oxygen and help speed up decomposition. Hot composting involves adding 4 ingredients, nitrogen, carbon, air, and water, to a pile in order to speed up the process of decay. Nitrogen-rich materials, such as food scraps and green plant matter, provide energy for the microorganisms that break down the organic materials. Carbon-rich materials, such as dry leaves and wood chips, provide structure and support for the pile. Air is necessary for the microorganisms to breathe and for the decomposition process to occur. Water helps to keep the pile moist and helps to activate the microorganisms. By carefully balancing these ingredients and maintaining the right conditions, it is possible to produce compost in as little as 1 to 3 months during warm weather. Vermicomposting is another method of composting that involves the use of worms to break down organic materials. Redworms, also known as red wigglers, are the most commonly used worms for vermicomposting. When these worms eat food scraps, they release castings, which are rich in nitrogen and other nutrients. Vermicomposting is a relatively fast and efficient way to produce compost, and it can be done indoors or outdoors in a small space. It is also a low-maintenance method, as the worms do most of the work. There are many materials that can be composted, including fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, grass and plant clippings, dry leaves, wood chips, and more. It is important to avoid adding materials that are not biodegradable, such as plastic, metal, or glass, as these will not break down and can contaminate the compost. Meat, bones, and dairy products should also be avoided, as they can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. That is all the topic for today, and we hope you can get a beneficial conclusion from our video. Please subscribe, like, and share our channel so we can always provide you with knowledge about agriculture.